epoxy coating specialist. I'm a senior project manager. We do epoxy flooring throughout the Midwest, but we do schools, pharmaceuticals, hospitals, do a lot of airplane hangars, Wichita, and out in Colorado now.
This is Washburn Rural High School. This is an addition. We're in Topeka, Kansas. It's a little suburb of Topeka. And we're in a commons area of this new addition. It's kind of a, I think, more or less technical.
Depending on what concrete pour we got handed, you know, every concrete pour is different by every truck every day. Some of this concrete was extremely hard, so we had to scarify it with our propane Lavinas. But most generally, it was a 36 grit diamond grind.
What we did is we had the resinous flooring package, and basically, most of the areas took the epoxy flooring, but it's more than just that. It's an urethane cement, you know, kind of some high performance top coats. You could obviously see the decorative patterns and the logo. So there's a lot of detail to a job like this.
We were between 4 men and 8 men, most of 3.5 months. It actually went really well. McCown Gordon is one of our great partners that we get to work with. The project ran smoothly with their coordination. This system is the Tnemec 241 urethane cement based decorative flake 284 and the 248 top coat.
You know, that's the key. If, you know, you've got to have the right system for the right areas. So basically, these floors all look the same, but there's a little bit different engineering / system specification for different areas. So that's really the key to successful application, because they all look good for 30 days, but 6 months, 6 years down the road, that's 10 years down the road, that floor should all look exactly the same.
Longevity, epoxies have been around for decades. This floor is going to last 15, 20 years. It's not going to scuff, it's not going to stain. The wear pattern on this is going to be amazing. Kids won't be able to damage it.